Stuff.
So when my wife was pregnant with our daughter, Josephine, she, wanted some pretty specific kinds of food. And one day she was like, hey, I really have a craving for a patty melt. And I was like, then I'm gonna make you a patty melt. Thing is, I've never, at that point, had ever eaten or made a patty melt. So I thought to myself, okay, what's in there? But I didn't really know how to do it. So I just made what we had in the fridge. And she liked it. I ended up making up about 460 of these while my wife was pregnant. Okay, so what we're gonna start out with is a little bit of butter. I am going to caramelize some onions and mushrooms. So yellow onion. And some mushrooms. All right, and then we're gonna let that cook, get nice and brown and caramelized and yummy. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take a piece of parchment paper. I'm gonna take the beef and I'm gonna kind of like squeeze it into a roughly rectangular shape. And then we're gonna put it on the paper on one side. So I'm gonna fold this over, and now the beef is right in the middle of this paper. Looking good. All right, now I'm just gonna roll this out like cookie dough. You'll notice I didn't put any salt or pepper or onion soup mix or any of the other weird things that people put in their burgers, just beef. So get this guy nice and thin. And now, cut that, and this I will use in the next one. A beef tangle. Oh, it's pretty good. They'll still have a little bit of crunch. All right, so I'm gonna take these. All right, I'll heat this pan up again. And put some more butter. Now, I'm gonna take our beef. Stay juicy, my friend. Stay juicy, pony boy. All right, let's make a sandwich. So what I'm gonna do is butter this bread, and then I'm gonna turn my burner on pretty low. All we really gotta do is toast that bread and melt that cheese. Bread, cheese, beef. Mushrooms and onions, cheese. It's almost a palindrome. All right. Just about there. So I was like running back and forth, but I'm making fries to go with it because you need French fries. Okay, who wants a sandwich?
I want a sandwich.
Okay.
Look at that,
Okay.
golden delicious.
Look, here is this. There's a sandwich for mommy. A big, that's a lot of French fries.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Haha.
So good.
Does it taste like you're pregnant?
Bringing back memories. Do you remember the smell? Did you ever smell this?
And you were in mommy's belly.
Yeah, these were my favorite. I couldn't get enough of them.
It's a good sandwich.
like
That's a
every
quality
night.
sandwich.
Remember you cut my belly button?
I cut your belly button. Yeah. You remember that?
Uh-huh.
Did it hurt?
Uh-uh.
Nice. Well, that's how you make the John and Goldman pregnancy patty melt. It really is a quality sandwich. Go for it.
Have some more checkup.
You have a whole plate
Yeah, you don't need
full
more
of checkup. You're good.